I'm extremely happy today because for a player to win such a tournament is always a very great feeling, and that too, if the tournament is so strong, then it's amazing feeling I'm having right now. And I would say the secret would be I was enjoying everything here. Like the food was awesome in this club, and also the venue is class. It's perfect place for chess tournaments, and I want to congratulate and thank all the organizers for conducting such tournaments. And I would like to play many more tournaments in the same place. And also there is one more thing, I was also enjoying shopping every day. Yeah, it was fantastic tournament, and I also want to thank my first round opponent Rindia, who woke me very early in the tournament from my sleep actually. And I owe this success to my coach Raghunandan Gokhale sir, and also to my sponsors GCL, that is Goa Carbon Limited, and Mr. Srinivas Dempo. And and I also want to congratulate all the winners. And thanks once again to all the organizers. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. And you are definitely...
First, I would like to thank Mysore Chess Center for organizing such a wonderful tournament. This is the first time I have visited Mysore, and I think so it has been a very memorable tournament for me. As Bhakti said, Mysore Sports Club is very good. It was, main thing is we could really enjoy the tournament. The hospitality was great, and as she said, I enjoyed. I myself also enjoyed this tournament like anything. I played a lot of badminton here for the first time, and I think a lot of that, my success, I would say it was because I was so comfortable here. So I thank the organizers, I thank the sponsors for their generous support for this tournament. When it comes to the tournament, I think so, as Bharat Singh said, it is the fighting spirit. I think so, maximum I was just trying to play every day, just I wanted to give my best. That's it. After that, I would say congratulations to Bhakti because she played an excellent tournament. Especially the fact that she lost her first game and after that she made a great comeback. So congratulations a lot for that. And I think so the youngsters have been playing very well. I saw a lot of youngsters that have given us a run for our money. So yeah, I would congratulate them. They have been playing very well, and I am seeing the improvement in every national that I'm playing. So I'm quite sure that next national is going to be a lot more tougher and there will be a lot more new faces. And thank you to the sponsors, the organizers and the host once again. Thank you so much.
Hi everybody, good evening. Well, first of all, I would of course like to thank Mysore Chess Center and Mysore Sports Club for their amazing organization, Arvind Shastri sir, Nagendra Rao sir, and everyone involved with the organization. Actually, it's like whatever Bhakti and Mary said, I second that completely. It is like a perfect venue. You know, there was you could like pick and choose whatever you want to do. I used to sometimes go for a walk, sometimes go for a swim. Yesterday, for example, I lost the game and I was feeling so tired after the game, and I thought, what should I do to refresh myself? And there was a pool, so I went for a swim and I felt so refreshed. Such kind of things, I think they're so important in a chess tournament, especially when it's so tiring, you know, 11 rounds, it's a really stressful tournament, and you get to relax, you get to do some physical fitness. It's very important, and that's why I really love this venue as well. And of course, I would like to come back here again and play many more tournaments. Yeah, that's all. I would like to thank all the participants for their, as Bharat Uncle mentioned, it was a very fighting tournament. In fact, when I came to this tournament, I was thinking to myself that my goal is to simply fight every game rather than qualify or win the tournament or whatever. I was not thinking about the result at all. And I think that kind of helped me play every game till the end, and I guess a lot of other players also had this approach and it showed in their games. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Bharat Uncle for his announcement for women's chess. I think it's an amazing, amazing development, and I'm really looking forward to be in the team once again and make use of all these opportunities.
I hope it's an inspiration for all the youngsters too, and you guys really work hard on your game, keep working hard, and you will also get to play so many strong tournaments. It's a great motivation. Finally, I would just like to thank all the sponsors associated with this tournament, and of course my own sponsor Indian Oil and PSPB for supporting us so very much. We are really very grateful, and it helps us focus only on our game rather than think of anything else, which is so important for a sports person. So really so grateful to my company, and wish you all good luck. Have a nice evening.